As per reports coming in from Supreme Court has directed businessman Vijay Mallya to be present at court on 5th October at 2 pm. In this regard, the Apex Court has asked the Union Ministry of Home Affairs to ensure his presence in the courtroom on that day. The ruling of the court states that now that the review petitions are dismissed, we direct respondent number 3 to appear before this court on 5th October at 2 pm and has directed the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, New Delhi to facilitate and ensure the presence of respondent number 3 before this court on that day. A copy of this judgment be sent to the Ministry of Home Affairs for facility and compliance. Mallya's plea was rejected seeking review of 2017 verdict holding him guilty for contempt of court. The liquor king Mallya had been guilty of transferring $40 million to his children's name in violation of the court's order. Mallya has been charged with fraud and money laundering charges amount to estimated 9,000 crore. He is presently taken a hide in UK. BJP lead government has been unable to stop the frauds as well as to take fraudulent under custody. The example of these fraudulent have been many like Nirav Modi, Vijay Mallya and like them many more. Indian central government have always been saying that it is against the people who are fraudulent but have always been unable to stop these frauds to happen. Most of these high profile people have lured the money and ran away from the country. Same way, Nirav Modi has taken crores of money from the banks and to his own free with left country. The Enforcement Bureau have raised questions regarding this in Supreme Court as who is responsible to bring these people who have taken crores and crores of money of the country and have become fugitive. Now Supreme Court current decision in Vijay Mallya case have instructed Union Home Ministry to ensure that Vijay Mallya would be present before the Apex Court on 5th October at 2 pm. This order have directly made Union Home Minister Amit Shah directly responsible to bring fugitive and make him appear before the Apex Court on October 5th. This order of Apex Court is not for Vijay Mallya but it is for Home Minister Amit Shah.